Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about proxy chains. A proxy is a system such as a server that sits between a source and destination host on a network. If a sender wants to communicate with the destination server, the sender forwards the message to the proxy system, which is then forwarded to the destination server. The destination server will think the message is originating from the proxy system and not the actual source. Within the field of information technology, using proxy servers has many benefits. In cybersecurity, it is commonly used to anonymize the origin of network traffic. So let's see how to use proxy chains on Kali Linux. Proxy chains, which enables them the users to create a logical chain of connection between multiple proxy servers when sending traffic to a targeted system network or the internet. Proxy chains allow a penetration tester to configure various types of proxies such as HTTP, HTTPS, SOCKS 4 and SOCKS 5. So first you need to log into the Kali Linux virtual machine, then open the terminal and use this command. We are going to update the local file name database and search for proxy chains for configuration file. Let's type on our terminal sudo update db and just hit enter. After that update, we are going to locate proxy chain. So we're gonna do locate proxy chain and just hit enter. And here you can see the location of a proxychains4.conf file. We are going to use proxy chains two ways. First, we are going to use it with tar. Then we are going to get the list of proxy servers from some website and use those one. So first we need to open the proxychains4.conf file with the nano command line text editor. Let's do that. Clear and do sudo nano and the path to the config file. The spelling need to be corrected. Inside this file, we need to uncomment dynamic chain, the one over here, and then we need to comment strict chain. By uncommenting dynamic chain, the proxy chains application will chain all the proxy servers with a predefined list. By commenting strict chain, proxy chains will not use the method of proxy. Now scroll down to the end of the proxychains4.conf file and you can see over here SOCKS 4. This is for tar proxy. So we are just gonna do Control X now to save this file and exit to console. Now we are going to start or install tar. So just type tar. It's not installed on our system. We are gonna install it. So just enter Y to continue. So our goal over here is to use the proxy chains with tar, and then we are going to add this with applications. So our original IP4 public IP changes. So first we are going to, before starting tar, I'm just going to check my public IP, the current public IP or the original IP4 IP. So I can use the curl command, and I'm just gonna use, you can use this site or whatever site you like, which returns your public IP address with the curl tool. So we are just grabbing our public IP. So this -4 is for IPv4 for this website. So this is my current public IP address. I can do or use some other sites too, such as icanhasip.com, and check for my public IP. So that one is showing me the IPv6. So with the IP if config, we can pass in this -4 for IPv4. Now what we are going to do is start our tar service, and when the tar service is running, we are going to open another tab, and here we are going to do the same thing. We are gonna do curl, we are going to add proxy chains for with the curl -4, and if config.co, and just hit enter. So if I do this one, use this site with the proxy, it's gonna return me some HTML page instead of just my IP. So I'm just gonna use the icanhas IP. Let's try that. Let's try this one if we are able to get our public IP instead of just a page. Yeah, so this is my proxy address by tar. So my public IP address is changed this way. So now I'm going to use the proxy server list from some website and add those servers to our conf file, and also close tar and the tar. Now we are, instead of using tar, we are going to get the proxy server from some website, list of proxy servers, and add few servers to our config file and connect with that. So we are going to use those IP to make a connection or hide our original public IP. So one of such site is this one over here, SPYS, where you can look up proxy servers. I will click on SOCKS proxy list. I'm just gonna grab one. You can add many as you'd like. We are just testing right now, so just, and let me see if I have, no, I need to open it again, the conf file. Okay, so this will be sudo nano, and open this file and then scroll to the end of the file, and let's see if I'm able to paste that server. And now I need to comment this one because we are not using a tar this time, and we do SOCKS 5 and just paste. Okay, and remove the colon. This is the IP address and the colon is removed. This is the port, and I'm just gonna do Control Y. Control X, sorry. I need to do Control X and save the file. And then we are gonna do curl for just get the IP address again, the public one. Then we are just gonna do the proxy chain with it. Proxy chains. Okay, ICANN has IP. So I'm gonna do this. Here you need to add proxy chains for. Instead of proxy chain, use proxy chains for and just hit enter. Let's see if our IP changes, and using the proxy server from some proxy list. So now we have new IP and this is the one over here. So it shows our IP now is this one. Let's try to open this one with the proxy chain with the web browser and look up our IP address in a web browser. So what we're gonna do here, need to start a Firefox. So I'm just gonna type proxy chains for -f /etc proxy chains for. If it's correct and no error in the path, then Firefox. So what we are doing over here, we are opening Firefox with proxy chains. So our IP should change, and it should not show our original IP when we look up our public IP address on different sites. So let's try what is my IP website. What is my IP? Let me see if I write. What is my IP address? Okay, so we can go to this site, and it's asking verifying we are human, because some sites have ability to check for proxies. So this is IPv6. It's looking up the IPv4.